Unit 7.1 Lifestyle Factors by Finley Deedman. Alcohol. Alcohol is a man-made substance comprised of fermented sugars, which when consumed can lead to feelings of relaxation or increased confidence. However, effects differ greatly from person to person. It is undoubtable that alcohol has become a widely socially accepted drug that the majority of our nation choose to consume on a regular basis. However, we must remember that alcohol can be an extremely dangerous substance, which can lead to a multitude of health issues, with the Office of National Statistics stating that 29 million people in the UK are recorded to drink alcohol. Furthermore, the Office of National Statistics also recorded that in 2017, a recorded 7,697 people died from alcohol-related deaths in the UK alone, clearly showing the extreme danger which can result from the consumption of alcohol. These deaths can result from the plethora of short-term effects that alcohol has upon the body, both physical and mental, such as decreased motor skills, dizziness, among many other effects. However, arguably stronger are the effects alcohol has upon our mental state, with many people accepting that the consumption of alcohol intensifies emotions, resulting in extreme happiness or extreme sadness or even anger. This can lead to poor judgment, which can place people in dangerous situations such as arguments or even physical fights. These dangers tend to arise during excess intake of alcohol, typical during binges, where people consume extremely high volumes of alcohol over the recommended um, level within one night, where all these short-term effects are intensified, whilst also placing increased strain and pressure upon the body to cope with the alcohol, which is essentially a poison to the body. Furthermore, when consumed over extended periods of time, long-term effects begin to arise. Alcohol is measured in units, which is used to aid people in determining their limits, with a normal pint of beer typically measuring around 2 units. The NHS recommend a weekly limit of 14 units a week to maintain a healthy life and limit the negative effects of alcohol. However, when people begin to consume over this limit consistently, these habits can evolve into addictions, known as alcoholism, where people develop mental and physical dependencies, which can tear people's lives apart, where their bodies need alcohol to function. According to the alcoholchange.org, an estimated 586,680 people suffer from alcohol addictions in the UK, with less than 20% of them receiving treatment to support their addictions, which causes massively negative effects upon their body and mental states, especially their liver, which filters the alcohol out of their body, which is a poison to our bodies. However, over time, due to the excess alcohol, the liver can begin to malfunction and deteriorate, struggling and more to cope with filtering the alcohol out of the body, forming a condition known as alcoholic liver, due to the immense strain that alcohol places upon it, causing fat to build up at the liver and continue to build with alcohol consumption, which causes a decreased life expectancy and can even be fatal. Finally, as alcohol is a central pillar in our society, developing into a very lucrative market as society accepts this drug. Furthermore, it is extremely easy to access even to underage people. An immense problem is formed as the consumption of ease of access and social acceptance causes many people to believe alcohol is a harmless substance, which fueled by a multi-billion marketing industry, of the alcohol industry, which constantly exposes people to alcohol, leads people to become more susceptible to excess drinking or underage drinking as it becomes normalized to them. However, if people were to see people smoking weed in public, they would be taken back as they have been taught to by society. However, if they saw someone drinking in public, they would not bat an eyelid, even though it is strongly arguable alcohol is far worse for you than weed, as this is what the marketing agencies want you to believe to boost their profits.